Welcome to the Economical Housewife. My name is Anna, and here we discuss how to reduce the cost of living while maintaining an efficient and effective home to make time for the things and people we love. And today we're going to be talking about barf. Yeah, how to get vomit out of clothes, how to get the stink out of clothes without using bleach. So, yes. Also out of the carpet, this works well. Here's what I do. And why? Well, why? It's less expensive and it's more effective. There's the why. It's pretty straightforward. I've watched some YouTubers talk about this too. Their methods are slightly different than mine. There's a lot of like stay-at-home moms or just moms in general who have done videos on this. I've kind of fine-tuned it for myself. If you have made a video that's exactly like mine, let me know. I have not watched it yet. I have watched videos similar, so yes, but this is what has worked for me. Obviously, similar things have worked for other moms. Here we go. All right, what I do. My daughter pukes for some random reason, because apparently she is not actually running a fever or sick, she just threw up. So be it. So, clothes all vomity. My clothes are all vomity. Her bed's all vomity, or the couch. That's even worse. I get all of the vomit into one spot as best I can. I go bathe my daughter, which, yes, soap her up. I don't normally, I'll do a bath time video sort of deal for you, but I don't normally shampoo my daughter's hair. I just wash it with conditioner and let her like soak in slightly soapy water, hardly any soap. When she vomits, I soap up her whole body, head to toe. It gets rid of the smell real well. And I can show you what I use and all that later. But then once my daughter is clean, I get her comfortable and I start cleaning up the vomit everywhere else. And I put everything that I can into the washing machine and turn up the water so the water fills. I don't care how much stuff she or your kid got on the clothes. You want as much water in there as possible. So just like max it out to like extra large load, even if it's like a few items. Extra water helps get gunk out. It just does. We're gonna do a pre-wash cycle here. This is what I do with diapers, and this is also what I do with vomit. I'm gonna pre-wash it. I put some dish soap in there when I pre-wash. So like with diapers, I would do like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of dish soap. With vomit, I would turn that up to like a 1/4 cup of dish soap. So this might not work if you have a front loader. It definitely works for a top loader. Read your front loader like packet before you use like dish soap. If you have a top loader, this will work. 1/4 cup of dish soap, pre-wash it. Done. Okay, now we're gonna do a heavy cycle. Normally I like skimp and I do like the shortest wash time. We're gonna do the heavy duty, like heavy soil cycle load. We're gonna do more dish soap and like another 1/4 cup of dish soap, and then we're gonna, do like 2 tablespoons this time. So 1/4 cup the first time, 2 tablespoons this time, and then add a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of vinegar. And then let it fill up, right? But leave the lid open and let it soak for a few hours. The vinegar is gonna like get rid of the stench, okay? And then like a couple hours later, come down, shut the lid and let it run its cycle. And then do an extra rinse. So just turn the knob back to the rinse and then let it do a second rinse. I do that with diapers too. I'll do a second rinse to get any extra soap and all of that gunk out. If your clothes still smell vomity when you're done, it shouldn't, but if they do, just do another like soak with vinegar. I've had to do that a few times where I think I just had too much clothes in there for the amount of vinegar I put in, and I just had to do a second soak with vinegar and it got it out fine. Dry as normal, launder as normal. Well, just dry as normal. And then clothes should be good. And then what I do with carpeting, and couches and stuff, like if it's like on the couch cushions, I unzip it, take it off, wash the cushion covers, And then with the floor, I do vinegar dish soap mix with water, and I just scrub it. And that has gotten rid of the stench really well. I tried baking soda. First of all, it makes my vacuum cleaner smoke, so yeah, that's a little weird. And then second of all, it did not soak up all of the stench. Vinegar really cut the stench out. Like, I noticed a huge difference with the vinegar. So do the vinegar, try it. I hope you'll love it. I love it. And then I'm not using bleach or any other chemicals or anything. They're very inexpensive products and they're very useful. I already keep them around the house for my regular cleaning products. Like, they're the 2 cleaning products I use on pretty much everything. Couple exceptions there. If you want to see my cleaning products video, go check it out. I'll have it linked. But that is what I do for vomit. So yes, I've also made a video on diaper rashes if you want to check that out. That should be up too, and I'm sure I'll be making more videos. If you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe for future updates. Comment below if you do something similar or if there's something different you use. I would love to hear your tips and tricks. I always love listening to other people's comments and suggestions. It's very helpful. I think we should all just practice doing that more. Like, it's really easy watching a YouTuber online, but like in person, I find it hard to listen to other people. I don't know if you do this too. I like telling people things because, I don't know, I feel kind of lonely as a stay-at-home mom. If you're a stay-at-home mom, you might understand this scenario. But I feel very lonely, so as soon as I see somebody, I just start talking at them because I need to get in my words for the day, and yes. But I think it's a good practice to maybe not talk as much. If you're quiet, maybe force yourself to talk a little more. I'm definitely more talkative, and I am trying to work at listening more. And I think that's maybe a good goal for this week for all of us, is to listen more and talk less. And it's easy to listen to somebody on YouTube because you're watching the show to either be entertained or educated or something. But in person, let's focus on having like in-person interactions and listening to other people and like asking them about something interesting about themselves. I am going to make that a goal for myself for this week. And whenever you're watching this, make it a goal for yourself. I think as stay-at-home moms, we tend to just like feel lonely, very lonely. Even if we go to a mom's group, like I go to a mom's group, I see people sometimes, and sometimes it's still lonely. And I think a lot of us feel that way, because I mentioned that at the mom's group the other week. And there were several moms there who were like, yeah, I feel lonely too. So, just a thought. If you feel lonely, the mom next to you might too. So, anyway, I hope this helps. I'll go in with the prices for what I use. And then, yeah, hope to hear your comments. Have a blessed day. See you next week. Bye.